back to my channel. Namaste. Today I'm just gonna do an unboxing for my February Fab Bag, and here I have it. I received it today only and thought of just shooting a video right away. So let's open it and see what I have in this time's bag. All right, I can see a product outside the bag because it's a little bulky. So yeah, and this is how the bag looks like. It's pretty. I love the pouch. It's black in color with some pink outlined hearts, and it says Fab Bag here. And yeah, it's really nice pouch. So let's just open and see what products I got this time. And first, let me just take out the info cards. All right, so this is February Fab Bag. You can see from the info card that it's themed for the Valentine's Day, all pink. And then I have a renewal offer as well, discount code. And then they have an info card about their contest, which is there on Instagram every month. Yeah, so let's just dig into the product. So the very first product I saw, it was this thing which was lying outside the bag in the box. This is by Purple Essential Naturals bath salt, and the amount of product I'm getting here is 100 grams. It has peppermint oil, almond oil, olive oil. Yeah, and this one retails for 450 Indian rupees, and this is a full-size product. All right, let's see what else I got. And the next thing I see is it's by Kavya. It's white tea rose deep pore cleansing exfoliating scrub, and it is for normal to medium oily skin type. Amount of product I'm getting is 50 grams of product, and yeah, it's a scrub basically. And this retails for 172 Indian rupees. All right, then I see two sachets. This is by Acne. I think they already sent, I think they sent sunscreen. No, they sent face washes only. Yeah, again they have sent the face washes, and they are by Acne, and they are whitening clarifying face wash, which they claim that it smoothens the skin and whitens the skin tone. Whoa. And this Acne whitening clarifying face wash retails for 5 rupees per sachet. That means 10 rupees for both the sachet. Then next thing I see is a face wash. This is by Chronocare Aromatherapy City Detox Face Wash, and this is for all skin type. This is sulfate, mineral oil, parabens, silicone, and fragrance free. And the amount of product I got here is 30 ml of product, that is 1.01 O's. And this one retails for, okay, so this is like a bonus product. They haven't mentioned the price of the bonus product in the info card, but I'm trying to see the price on the bottle if I can. No, so there's no price. I can't tell you the price of this face wash, but yeah, this is the bonus product. Anyways, let's move on to the other products. All right, then I think it's a nail paint, nicely bubble wrapped. Ooh, it's a matte nail paint. I love matte things, be it a matte lipstick or matte nail paints. I love matte things. This is Major Crush by Ayushi Nail Lacquer, and this one retails for 199 Indian rupees, and I love the color. Oh my god, it's super pretty. It's like a peachish, dark peach color, very pretty color. And really loved the color. And so there's no name for the color, but there's a number here. This is 115, and it's super pretty. I'm just gonna wear this nail color right away. I like it so much. I loved the color. Look at this color. Oh my god, it's super pretty, and it will dry matte. It will look more gorgeous. Yeah, that's the nail color. I think I'm just left with one product, which is the star product of their February month, and this is a huge bottle. So let me just open and see what it is. All right, so this is by NELF, or I would say NELF. How do you pronounce it? I don't know. I will call it NELF. So this is a NELF hydrating primer. This is HD. This is the star product of their February Fab Bag. They have also they also have a foundation as a star product for the month of February. Yeah, but I got the primer. This is a NELF USA HD primer, and this is a full-size product and it retails for 850 Indian rupees. Yeah, the packaging is really good. It has a glass bottle. I don't know how it works as a primer, but follow me on my vlog channel, you'll get to know. When I'll use it, I'll definitely be reviewing this as well. This is a NELF hydrating primer. That's it for the month of February, and done with my February Fab Bag. And yeah, that's it for the video, and I really liked the products this time as well. I'm excited to try the primer. I am very happy to receive this nail paint. I loved the color of this nail paint, and yeah, the rest is kind of okay. All the information about the Fab Bag will be in the description box. Go and subscribe it for yourself, and I will see you guys in my next video. And if you are new to my channel, then hit the subscribe button, help me grow. And yeah, that's it for the video. Till then, bye bye, take care, stay beautiful and stay healthy.